Hey everybody, I hope this video doesn't stop on its own. If it does, that sucks. Okay. Now, everybody, we're going to be playing Roblox! Okay. I know you might think it's stupid. I don't care. Oof. Just a fair warning, my video might end on its own. 1 second. Okay, sorry about that. I had to do something real quick. I like escape and regular obbies. Escape obbies are a little bit cooler because they have a little bit of a pack on them. That's just why I call them, because I play Minecraft way too much. So, let's do this. I hope you can hear it. If you heard oof, you... I did not expect for those boxes to be poisonous. Although, I should have read his message. Noob face. Noob face. Noob face. You noob! The sounds are cool, sorry that you probably cannot hear them that way. Noob face! With the noob faces though. Bruh. Do you love noobs? Wait. What? What? You know what I love? You can make your own shirts on Roblox. Mine is a bit tiny. You can upload pictures into... You totally interrupted me. Into your own little shirt. You want to understand? You first. You first. Though you got to do what you got to do. I'm a teen, okay? Just leave me alone. Boom. Did I just hack that? You don't even need the boards. Bruh. 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 Okay, don't call me a noob or anything, because I'm usually better at this. Thank you. There we go. Now we're back on our roll. Checkpoint me. Okay, there we go. It finally checkpointed me. Sorry, I had to pause the video real quick. What? What? The frack. The flip. The flip and flip. Oh. I've already played, bro. So, we're gonna be doing this for a while, making lots of YouTube videos. Why do those checkpoints keep on interrupting me? But so, yeah. We're gonna be doing a bunch of YouTube videos. And hope you enjoy YouTube videos, because if you don't, why are you watching my video? If you don't enjoy YouTube, why are you watching? Video. Wait, what? No, not the PS4. Not Grand Theft Auto 5. Not Minecraft. Sorry. I was being that one kid who whines about everything. You should have said that we didn't get to go down that. What? Escalator. Really, KFC? Don't touch the hot grease. So easy. Bruh. KFC. I've had a lot of KFC in the recent week. So I think I'm done with KFC for a while. Man, what have you done? It's referencing a bunch of different escape games I played. Like Escape the Barber, Escape the Dentist. I'm definitely gonna have to come back to that game. That other game. That other game. That other game. Ding! So there was one Escape the Hospital. There are a bunch of different ones, probably not the one you played. And we made it to up until level 8. We literally tried everything. Nothing worked. I'm serious. I'll show you that level someday. In the map. Hit! Oof. Like no one could beat level 8. I'm pretty sure it was possible, but GameStop, KFC, Target. I actually did that on purpose, don't worry. See, I know how I be going and rolling. You see me rolling. Come on into the back. Okay, now let's go back to that one place. The one other game that was a link to another game from this game, and check it out because you know I really like my Roblox games. There's no way to get back in. There's no way to get back in. There's no way to get back in, yo. I'll be right. So here's something I didn't see originally. Need candy. I literally need to go all the way back. Arrgh. Hey everybody, we're back. Okay, now, we are going to have to make this a video for next time. Bye!